Chickpeas comes from the family of grams and are filled with a number of nutritional values that is beneficial for maintaining good health. Let's take a look at some of the health benefits of chickpeas. Rich in fiber, chickpeas reduces the risk of diabetes. People who have type 1 diabetes have shown remarkable changes in blood sugar levels after consuming chickpeas. Chickpeas are a good source of phosphate, calcium and magnesium, which are beneficial nutrients to strengthen the bones. Chickpeas are known to be rich in fiber, which helps in strengthening the digestive tract system. A healthy colon protects you from colon cancer. Chickpeas contains a mineral called magnesium that is the key antioxidant. This helps in flushing out the bad toxins from the body. Chickpeas are a good source of zinc and copper. These two important minerals play a vital role in the development of the immune cells. Many of you who want to lose weight the natural way can go ahead and try munching onto some delicious chickpeas. Loaded with fiber, chickpeas make you feel fuller when consumed. Chickpeas can definitely help in reducing the LDL, that is the bad cholesterol level in the body, which can at a later stage lead to heart diseases. Chickpeas contain phytochemicals that lowers the risk of breast cancer in women. That is why it is advised to try eating chickpeas to maintain general health. Chickpeas are rich in iron and are very good for those who have iron deficiency. Chickpeas is not only a healthy food but also very sumptuous. So go ahead and enjoy this lovely gram. And don't forget to subscribe to Stylecraze.